Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device and app support multiple audio tracks and that you have the media ready. Once done, open the player and go to the playback or audio menu. This is where language tracks live. You do this first because choosing the wrong menu wastes time. If you're using a streaming app, sign in and select the content before adjusting audio. This step gets you directly to the controls you need to change language options. Now focus on the middle steps. Locate the audio or language list. Sometimes it's nested under subtitles or settings because interfaces vary. Once you open the list, scan track names for language codes or labels like Spanish or descriptive audio so you pick the correct one. Select the desired track and wait a second or two. The player needs time to switch and resynchronize audio. If audio and video drift, retry selection or use a restart. This solves most things. To complete the task, verify the language change by listening for clear dialogue and proper menus. Make sure subtitles, if used, match the new audio to avoid confusion. If the track is missing, check the file metadata or the streaming provider's language availability. Some content lacks alternate tracks. If something goes wrong, restart the app, clear its cache, or try a different player. These actions often restore missing tracks or fix sync problems quickly. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the audio track off and back on to force a reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.